Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to teach you how the tutorial how to make login page for mutable user. So from this image, from this flow diagram, you can see there is login page, our login page, and inside of login page we have username and password and a login button. So we input the username and password, and then we click the login button, and then after the login success, for example, I am an admin. I have access to all of this page. So the admin page have student page also, the teacher page also, and property page. Admin have 3 access, and if I am a teacher, I only have 2 access for student and teacher, not property. And if I am a student, I only have access for student. So how to make this? You will need table for this, which we will make it later, and the table for username and password, and the table for accessibility, for your access for your multiple user. Okay, how to make it? Let's do this. First of all, you're gonna make sure your SAMPP is opened and Apache and MySql is started. Okay, now let's make a new database called multi-user. Create, and then inside the multi-user, we're gonna need admin table, 3 columns, and here inside the first column we will need login ID, and then the second one is username, and then password. Oh, sorry, the third one is password. The type for username is gonna be varchar, as well as the password. And for the login ID, check the auto increment button here, and the values will be, I think 25 is enough. For the password is 255. Okay, and then scroll down, or just if you can see the save button, just save it. Okay, inside the table, inside the admin table, we will have login ID and then username and password. Now let's go to your VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Now go to the folder, file, and then open folder, and your xmpp folder directory. So mine is gonna be on C and xmpp, and then htdocs, and you're gonna need new folder here called multi-user. For me, I'm gonna name it multi-user. Then select folder. Okay, and yes, I trust the authors. Inside the multi-user folder, you'll need a new file called include multi, oh no, connect .php, like so. And then inside of this connect or inc connect PHP, you will need PHP, and then make some variables, which is host, and then localhost. After that, db means database, user gonna be root, and then another one db pass. We are using some pp, so keep it blank. Also db name as your database name you created before. So mine here is multi-user, like so. And then another variable named connect, here, and then MySQL MySQLi connect it to the db host, your local host. Just type these four variables again: db user, and then db pass, and last your name, your database name, db name, and then close it, and let's check it. If connect echo connection success, or else connect, oh sorry, we need this symbol first, and then echo connection error. Let's see the output. Hit save, and then go to your browser, and type in here localhost, your folder name, multi-user, and then slash your file name, inc underscore connect php. Let's see the output. So it is success now. So we're done, we're good to go. Now let's delete it and change it. If no if no, this means no, or not connect, it will die. and the prompt or the text will be connection error. We need to put connection error inside here. Hit save, and then actually there's no text because we have this connection. We have connected the SQLE connect here, so there is no prompt. No. Okay, so now we're gonna make the page login.php, and inside here you will need HTML type, name it login, and inside of the body we'll need div with an ID app, and then inside of app we'll need form action, keep it blank, and then method post sorry, post, there you go, and then inside the form type in input type will be text, keep it text, and then the name will be username, and then the ID, or no, make it class instead, will be input, and then let's make placeholder username, and I think that's it. Let's copy and paste it, double it, and then change to the password for a form input password. Type password, name is gonna be password also, class input, placeholder will be password as well, and then the third one will be input, for the name will be submit, and the ID, just delete the ID and then change it to value go to the system like so, hit save, and then let's see the output. Okay, we have it right here. Let's add break, both on username and password, and now let's see the output. Okay, now it looks better. Or sorry, the input type will be submit here. Okay, now it can be clicked, and the name will be submit, or let's change it to login to make it easier to notice. The value will be go to the system, keep it like that, and then we're good to go. Now maybe we're gonna make a style sheet to make this page better to look at. So just make new style, dot css, just like that. And then I think I'm gonna skip this part, so it won't take too long. I already made it. This is the style, a simple style, and now we're just gonna connect it by using the link tag rel style sheet, and then href will be style dot css. Hit save. Then let's see the output. Okay, it will look like this now. Now let's make a header here inside the div app. Let's name it login page there. And now we're gonna include this file here on top of your doc type HTML. Here, type in here PHP, and then what we're gonna include is inc connect dot php. Then make this variable here if is set dollar underscore post login. So this one is the name of our login here. In the login PHP, include this, include inc connect.php, and then if is set dollar underscore post, and then insert your login, your submit name here, login, and then make another variables, user name dollar underscore post, username, and then the password. Okay, so don't forget for the closing tag for PHP, the PHP closing tag, like so. Now let's make the session, or no, first let's make the default. Sorry, below this include, so the default will be dollar username none or blank, also the password, and then error keep it blank as well. And then here below the password, username, post password, make a session if username is none or blank, or password double equal, and then blank, also blank. Then this error message will appear. Let's make Lee for the line or the list. Input, the error message will be input your username and password. Make a close like so, and then okay, we only need one equal symbol here. Hit save. Let's make another section for the checking section. So type in if empty with the variable error, arr, and then inside here will be dollars SQL1. Then select all or star from admin where username this is the name of your table, of your column table, username here, username like so, and then close it. So that will be the name of your table here, username. And then make another one, Q1, MySQL query with the variable connect. So we're gonna include this variable we inserted before, we made it before. So type in here connect and SQL1, also R1, MySQL fetch array $Q1, and then if dollar R1 password, and then if not MD5 dollar password, this error message will appear. So let's make another list. I mean, just Lee tech. The prompt or the text will be account not available, like so. Hit save then. And now let's make another session with if we success for login. So it will be if empty err, then inside here will be session, oh no, underscore session, admin user name, and then dollar, oh sorry, dollar user name, and header location, front admin PHP, which we will make it later, this front admin PHP location, then exit. Hit save. We got an error here, so don't forget to close it, like so. So now we're gonna include or input the warning, the error warning here. And then input PHP element, PHP if. Also, let's make the closing first. If $err echo an UL tag $err, then don't forget to close it. Hit save, and then let's see the output. Refresh it. So the prompt is still won't appear, so there is some mistakes here. So this one is supposed to be password and this form action would be method, not method. I mistyped it recently. So that's it. Let's see the output. So if we keep it blank, okay, the prompt here will appear. And okay, so let's input the password inside of admin, and then insert username, just admin, and for the encryption will be MD5. The password here will be 12345 6 maybe. Then hit go. One row inserted. Here, okay, recently I made one password also, so I'm just gonna delete this one for this example. So we have the password, ignore the code here. The password is 12345 for the admin. Let's see, hit refresh or type here again, username admin, and the password is 12345 6. Go to system. Okay, now the new page will pop out. So this page is from admin.php, which is we inserted before. Here from admin php. So if we force it, it will go back to the login php. So this is not supposed to be. This is what not supposed to be. I mean, this is what not supposed to be. Yeah, that's it. So what we're gonna do is add a script here, which is include session, because we're gonna include keep sign. So if we include this admin username and password, for the next time we log in, we don't need to go to the login page again. So immediately to the front admin php. So what we're gonna do is input session start if is set dollar underscore session I'm sorry, here admin underscore username header location. We're gonna input the location, add no front admin dot php, then hit save. Okay, don't forget to close this tag, hit save, and then let's see, let's log in admin 12345 6, go to the system. Okay, and then if you force it to go to the login php, it won't appears because we already signed in. The session is already saved, is already remembered. So again, if we force it, it won't appears. Login.php here, hit enter. Yeah, it will stay inside of front admin PHP. Okay, now let's make the front admin page. So first, before you make front admin page, you're gonna need also header and footer. First, let's make inc footer .php and then inc header .php. Also make another one, front admin. I'm sorry, is it front admin or okay, front admin. Don't forget the PHP. Okay, so inside of the inc header, make an HTML template here, and then div, or just type hashtag app. It will create div automatically, and then we're gonna separate this section from here, the closing div to inc footer, and then the doc type HTML until this opening div in inc header. So just cut and paste it here, then hit save. Also for the inc header, hit save. Now type in the PHP script on top of the doc type HTML here, at the very top. PHP, and then don't forget the closing tag as well. And inside of this PHP tag, we're gonna need session start. Below that, include inc underscore connect dot php. Close it, enter, and then if this symbol is set, dollar underscore session admin front, or oh no, front admin, oh no, sorry, admin user name, then close it. or I mean not yet. Type in first header with the location like this. Login dot php like so, and then hit save, or close it first, don't forget. Hit save, and then in the front admin PHP we're gonna need to include the front admin PHP and the the inc footer PHP, and then as well as the inc header. So just type in PHP include inc underscore, or sorry, use this symbol inc header dot php, also the closing PHP tag. And then you're gonna copy and paste it. Copy and paste the PHP tag, or just hold shift alt and arrow down, and then change this to footer. Hit save, and then between the include header and then include footer, we're gonna need a text front page. Below that, welcome to the front page, like so. Hit save, and then let's see the output. We got it here, front page, the front page. Now get to the header PHP, and then let's make CSS by just link it to your CSS folder or CSS file. Style.css here, I got here, and then make a navigation bar inside this body. So just type in nav, and inside nav you're gonna need all, and then inside all you're gonna need also list, and here type in a href. First we're gonna name it home, and then copy and paste it for about 5 times, and change it to admin or no. We're gonna make a teacher front page, so let's see, let's make teacher page, and then student page, and the last one is property. Oh no, the last one is gonna be log out, and type in the a href here. The home will gonna be the front admin, php. The teacher page will be, you can name it whatever. Here I'm gonna name it front teacher.php, which we gonna make it later. Also front student.php, property.php, or front property.php, and then the last one logout.php, like so, and then hit save. And then you're gonna need a new style css for this div, for this navigation. So make this nav all, and then the list style type none, margin, and etc. For me, I'm gonna use this. And then let's see the output. Refresh, and then we got this home, teacher page, and then student, property, and logout page. I mean logout tab. Now let's make a new file called all these files we're gonna make it now. Front teacher, and then front student, property, and logout. So new file, hit new file, and then front underscore teacher.php. Make another one, front student.php. Then another one, front property underscore .php, and the last one, logout.php. And then you're gonna include, or you're gonna input the script from where is it, the front admin. You can copy and paste it here inside of this PHP which you earlier created. Just paste it and then change it to the teacher page, and then welcome to the teacher page, as well as the student and property here. Property page, then welcome to the property page. And then for the student, did we create it yet? Oh no, we didn't create the student, so we're gonna make it now. We're gonna create it now, student.php, paste student page, welcome to student page, hit save. Let's see the header just to make sure. Front admin, front teacher, and then student and property. Okay, the last one is login.php, I mean logout.php, and this is not the same. You can't copy and paste it because we're gonna end the session for the login. So what you're gonna do is type this PHP and then session underscore start, and then session destroy right away, and then it will redirect you to the login page on here. Login, which this one, login.php, like so. Oh no, sorry, we forgot to input location here, and then this is supposed to be 2. I mean, I don't know what is it in English, but use this symbol here, then hit save, and let's see the output. Hit refresh. Okay, this is the home page, and this is the teacher page. One sec, the teacher page is somehow broken. Log out. Sorry, let's log in again. Admin 1 2 3 4 5 6. Go to system. This is the front page, and then this works great. Student page, and then teacher page. Okay, we did some mistake here. Front teacher .php. Let's see the code on header. Front student.php. Front teacher.php. Front. I think this is correct. Let's do it again. Okay, I just realized, so we didn't save yet, so I forgot to hit save. Control S, also in the student teacher property student. Now it will redirect you to the teacher page here, front page, and then teacher page, student page, and property page. And then if you hit log out, it will take you to the login page. Alright, and then now let's create another login. Here let's input another login on your localhost PHP my admin. So the name is multi-user, the name of database, and then admin. Let's create another one, another login ID. Here you're gonna hit insert, and the username will be teacher, and the password is also 1 2 3 4 5 6. The encryption will be MD5. Hit go. Row inserted, and we did create this login ID. So let's input the teacher, then go to system. Okay, it will redirect you to the front admin, but we don't need this. We don't want this teacher have an access to to property and front page here or student page here. So we need this teacher to have only this page, his own page, which is teacher page. So what you're gonna do is make a new table. Let's name it master access, and then the name, the first column will be access ID, the type, make it varchar about 25 characters, and then we want it to be primary, so it won't be the same. The ID number or character will not be the same. And the second column will be name, varchar 30. That's it, and then you're gonna hit save. Okay, so in this table master access, we gonna insert some data. For example, here the data for teacher, and the name will be teacher page. Also student, the name will be student page, and then hit go, and we miss one more data, so make another one called property. Property page, hit go. Okay, now in master access here, we got 3 access ID, which is property, teacher, and student. Now we're gonna need a connection from admin and master access, which you can make it by creating another table and name it admin access, which included the column login ID, integer, also the what is it, access, let's name it access ID, and it has varchar type with length of 25, for example. Hit save. Now we have two column, and then in this admin access you're gonna need to make a relation by hitting this relation view, and for the relation, let's input the name, or no, let's just direct to the column section. From the login ID, which you will get it from the database multi-user, and then the table will be I'm sorry, master access table in column access ID, or sorry, this is supposed to be admin. Here login ID, so login ID will be have table of admin. Hit save, then make another relation by hitting that relation view, and then access ID, this one will be master access with the column of access ID. Hit save. Okay, now we have two relation created, and then now let's make the section where you can where the admin can access all of this page and the teacher only can access his page, the teacher page, which you can create it in this admin access by typing insert, and then this one for the admin first. Admin will have access to property, or let's change it to teacher first, and then admin student. Hit go. This one it has login ID 1 and access ID teacher and student, and then insert another one for property. Go. Then let's see, login ID 1 will be the admin. I'm sorry, here login ID 1 will be it's for the admin, and then make another one for the teacher. It only can access teacher page, so hit go. Now this is how it looks. Teacher only have one access to teacher page. Now get back to the VS Code and make another section on login PHP. Make another session here. If empty $error $login, for example, login ID $1, I'm sorry, $1, login underscore ID, and then SQL1 select all from admin access where login ID dollar sorry, $login ID. This login ID is this variable, then close, and make another one, another variable, Q1 for example, my SQL query. Where is it? Here? No. Okay, so the correct code is this. This is the correct code. Now we're gonna make another session here for the access. Like so. Now we're gonna add some conditional here in the ink header inside of this list, all of these lists. So let's input it right here. PHP if in array teacher okay, sorry, if in array teacher session admin access. Okay, like so. And then the closing tag will be here. And add this symbol also. PHP between lists. Okay, like that. Session. Okay, so there is some error. Add comma here. Okay, hit save. And then you're gonna copy and paste it. Just like that. Student page, and then in the property page as well. Paste this PHP also in the bottom of the list. Hit save, and let's format to make it clear, to make it easier to notice, to look. Hit save. Now we're gonna add some warning to each what is it, student, teacher, and property. We're gonna include insert a conditional here. If not in array So this is the teacher page, so it will have teacher, comma, from session admin underscore access, and then the prompt or the warning will be echo you don't have access, close it. Also include ink folder .php and then exit. So we're gonna insert this to each every student, property and admin, teacher, and then student. This is teacher, okay. See, so gonna include this to the student also. Student admin access, you don't have access, as well as the property. Here hit save, don't forget to hit save to each every file you have. Okay, this is teacher, student, property, all set. Now let's check out the browser, the output. Hit refresh, and then let's see the teacher first. The password is 12345 6, and then this is the front page of the teacher. You don't have access to student page or property page, so you only have access to teacher page. Also, if we choose admin and password 12345 6, admin will have access to all of the page. Also, we need to include student also. Here, insert make another what is it, access. Here in the admin table, sorry, I got confused. Insert student, sorry, this one will be username student, and the password for the student is also 12345 6, just to make it easier to remember. MD5 and then hit go. Now we have student ID or username, and then add more relation, I mean access. Here, insert student, only student, or maybe we can add student access to the teacher. Just insert teacher and then student. like so. Now let's see the code, I mean the page. One by one, admin one, oh sorry for the password, 12345 6. Go to system. Okay, it have access to teacher student property, and for the teacher account 12345 6, it have access to teacher and student and not have access with property. Now for the student 12345 6, yeah, this one is just the front page, which is this which is the let me check again. So it is in the, where is it, the footer, the header. So the student page is gonna be student, this one also property. Okay, hit save, then refresh. Okay, now it shows student page. So there was some mistake here, so this is the fix one. Let's log out and check another one, student with the password 12345 6. Okay, that's it. I think that's all about this tutorial, that's all about this video, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.